Hi, it's Chris from ChrisSchneiderart.
It's all about having some fun today, doing 4 flip cups. It's just meant to be abstract, no landscape, not looking particularly like anything, just having a bit of fun. I'm using silicone, golds and blues and greens. I tend to like doing graduated pours for these kind of types of pours. Golds at this end and not here, but graduate the colours up. It's on a beautiful canvas size, 50 by 20. I think these look really spectacular hanging on the walls.
These are the fab colours I'm using today, and I'm using the metallic gold, which I haven't used for ages, so I'm very excited about that.
I'm using silicone in a couple of colours, and I'm going to pour these in different layers, so they need to be mixed up in a separate cup. I've got gold and a phthalo green. May add silicone in another colour, but I'll see how I go. You don't need much silicone. Oh, that was 2 drops. Give it a really good stir. You're trying to defeat science. You're trying to basically mix oil with water. I always give it a good stir because I want it distributed throughout the gold. I don't want big blobs of silicone appearing, so hence the really good stir. And I'll do this for all the other colours as well.
I have arranged a tutorial video showing how I mix my paints, how I make custom colours, and how I also layer my cups. So I'm going to put a link at the top of this video to the playlist.
Okay. Good luck, guys. Right, I've left them a few minutes because these cups aren't ideal. There's a huge air gap at the top, so I had to make sure I left enough time for all the paint to drain down. Also, when I'm using silicone, I like to let the cups sit even longer because it gives a chance for the silicone to start interacting with the other paints. Okay, I'm not looking for big cells, so I'm not going to be torching immediately. I'm going to tilt and then I'm going to torch. Oh, I'm going to do this quite quickly. Oh, lovely. Cells coming up there. Lovely.
To help with the tilting, I spread over the paint to cover the canvas, including the sides. I'm happy with the composition, so I'm going to torch it, and I must admit I over torch slightly.
That's gone absolutely mad. That looks lovely. So I had way too much paint on. It's just crazy. I just needed that. It was just fun. I just love it.
Here's the dried painting, and there was a wee bit of movement because I didn't have it quite level to start with, which is real rookie mistake, but I'm really pleased with it. The iridescent colours all look beautiful, and I just needed this. I didn't want to do anything in particular, I just needed to have some fun, and sometimes we all need to do that. Here's a quick glimpse of next week's painting. It's still drying and I will be doing some touch-ups up to it, but I'm just loving that red. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this painting. It was really great fun to do. Do take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.